affiliated with RUPRAJ for around 1 year, and the way of teaching is very impressive for me. Like, he clears the doubts in a very easy manner. He explains the concept very well. Like, if you are having any doubt, he would clear it, and if you are not clear with the particular concept, he would also explain it twice or thrice. So I would also recommend every student to communicate to him for better education and for future guidance as well. Thank you.
My name is Rupan Mukherjee. I am currently pursuing BBA. I have been availing RUPRAJ sir's classes from grade 11. He has been a very good teacher. He explains the concepts properly and has been helping me solve my doubts, be it the early morning ones or the late night ones. I strongly recommend his classes. Thank you.